Welcome back to my channel. We will look at conversion of postfix to infix. In the previous two videos, we have looked at converting prefix to infix expressions. So now we will look at postfix to infix. This is our postfix expression. I will do it first in the direct method and then using stack. While converting from prefix to infix, we have a scan from right to left. Here we will scan from left to right till we encounter an operator. That's the point, till we encounter an operator. Right here, as we are scanning from left to right, we scan A, we scan B, and then star. So once we encounter an operator, right, once we encounter an operator, B becomes my operand 2. This becomes actually operand 2, right? And A becomes operand 1. A becomes operand 1, right? So A becomes operand 1, B becomes operand 2, and then I will insert star in between A and B operator. So I'll write like this: A star B CD by minus. I can write like this, correct? Now again I scan from left to right till I encounter an operator, right? So A star B is the first operand, and then C, and then D, and then I encounter an operator called division. Now C becomes operand 1, D becomes operand 2, C becomes operand 1, D becomes operand 2, and the operator is division. So I put division here. So I say here A star B, A star B, C by D minus. Now again I scan from left to right, right? A star B is one operand, C by D is another operand, and then minus, right? So here what will become operand 1 and what will become operand 2? A star B will become my operand 1 and C by D will become my operand 2, correct? So now I will put minus between these two. So I'll say here minus. So this will be my infix expression. A star B minus C by D would be my infix expression for this postfix expression, right? So let us do this using stack, which we will understand much more easily. For stack, I will write the expression one more time here: A B star CD by. We will do it using stack. So first I will draw an empty stack here, and then I will push each and every token into the stack. So I will push A first, I will push B again, so till we encounter an operator again. Once we encounter an operator, we stop it, we pop out A. Now once I pop out A would be again operand 1, operand 2. A would be operand 1, B would be operand 2, and the operator I will put it here. So now I have an empty stack because I have popped out both A and B. I have an empty stack here. So now I evaluated A plus B and I push A plus B back into the stack, correct? So I will say here A plus B. I have pushed A plus B back into the stack here, correct? So now again, after this again I have C, I have D, and I will stop here because now I encounter a operator, right? So C would be operand 1. So again we need to pop this out basically. So I pop out C would be operand 1, I pop out D would be operand 2, and I put minus. So my stack would be something like this. My stack will contain only A plus B because I have popped out both C and D, and once I evaluated C by D, I push it back into the stack here. This becomes C by D, right? Now the only operator left is minus, right? We have come till here. Now I'll just put a bracket here. Now A plus B would be operand 1, C by D would be operand 2, correct? I pop both out. Once I pop both out, we have an empty stack here. We have an empty stack, right? and I'll keep minus the operator here, right? Minus, this would be my evaluated expression. I will push it back into the stack. Now the stack will contain a plus b minus I'll write down c by d. Again, I have nothing to evaluate after minus, therefore the only expression that is left in the stack is a plus b minus c by d, which is actually equal to this expression which we have done it directly, right? I hope you have understood how to convert from postfix to infix. For prefix to infix, we scan from right to left. For postfix to infix, we scan from left to right until we encounter an operator. Using stack, we push each and every element into the stack till we encounter an operator, right? For postfix to infix, right? And then once we encounter an operator, we evaluate it, we pop the operands out, evaluate it and push it back into the stack, right? We do that till we get the final expression and we have nothing to evaluate, correct? So I hope you have understood conversion of postfix to infix using this example, right? We will do another example in the next video. Thank you for watching.